Please use Life Clock in the following way. First, write ICE card that makes a connection to family members with a permanent pen in advance in case of emergency, such as out of contact or unconsciousness, and put the card in your wallet or bag. Second, use a lighting stick while securing a clear view and requesting for rescue. If you snap the middle of the stick, it gives out light for 12 hours. If you insert a silver condensing board covered around the lighting stick into the stick like a lampshade, it gets more brightened. Third, if you spread out folded sides of a thermocloth and put its shining sides inward, it is able to wrap a person's body and protect body temperature. Fourth, a dual-tone whistle is able to send a signal for rescue to a distance. Whistle it 6 times within a minute for the rescue and 3 times for a long time for a response to the signal. Fifth, fixate compress where it bleeds and wind it tightly. Sixth, tightly fixate a ring of a flag in one side for rescue in an object. Wind it around a wrist and throw it far to a window or the outside. Lastly, take emergency articles such as emergency medicines, glasses, hygienic goods, and what individuals must need placed in a left space inside of a kit in advance and put them in it. Please select one of red, blue, and gray to suit your own taste. Survival Clock. Gyeonggi-do Province Corporation.